I'm sick of being harassed over my inability to cook, my inability to identify fruits and vegetables, and that's about it. So I bought every fruit and vegetable that the grocery store has. All right, we are organized. We got the fruit, we got the vegetables, and we got many kinds. Just look at all these apples. Red Delicious, Fuji, Cosmic Crisp. This one's not labeled. This isn't an apple. What is this? That's not a peach. It looks like a peach. Oh, I forgot to buy peach. What is this? A nectarine. I don't know what that is. I mean, just look at all these tomatoes. We've got cherry, Roma, cotton candy, tomatoes, and grape. We got Brussels sprouts. We got the classics like watermelon and what is this? Guatemala. Oh yeah, that's a country. I guess they named the fruit after the country. Some big peppers. I don't know what kind of pepper this is, but ooh, it's chunky. I don't even know if these are fruits or vegetables, but they were on the section. Yeah, all right. I just woke up and I was like, why are there bananas here? I don't buy bananas. And then I went to get a drink. I forgot that I bought a bunch of fruit. We're gonna start by trying all of the sweets and making a smoothie, then all of the citrus and making a juice, then all the vegetables and making a juice, and a salad. This is not a vegetable. I think I've had these before, cotton candy grapes. And as you can see, I need to wash them, okay? That's good. It's very cotton candy on the first bite, and then it just tastes like grape, and I don't like grapes. We'll start it at 5 out of 10. Strawberries. The problem is these don't look very good. They're already kind of dark and mushy, and I normally only eat them with sugar. Oh, they're pretty sweet. Maybe I don't need sugar with them. But I mean, come on, let's just compare, all right? Oh wait, actually these are really good. Maybe they're supposed to be darker. They're kind of better like this. Man, they're so good with sugar. Even without sugar, like it's a 7 out of 10. Next up, blackberries. I know I like raspberries, I don't know about blackberries, so. Oh. Ooh, it's crunchy. Oh, that's kind of good. Oh wait, that one's not as good. Oh, that one's good, okay. So the softer it is, the sweeter it is. Okay, that's good. Man, that's like a 9 out of 10. Blackberries, recommend if you haven't heard of them. Okay, kiwi, they're very hairy. It's very hard. Are these ready? I don't want to spit any out. But this is really gross. I don't know if I can swallow it. It's so hairy. It's like tarantula hair, kind of. Why'd it make me gag? Okay, it's gonna seem like I'm faking that, but I swallowed some and it's not. The moment I swallowed it, my body just started rejecting it. Eating the whole kiwi with the skin increases the fiber by 50%. All right, let me try it with a spoon. Oh, okay. Something about the exterior texture I think it was a mental thing. Okay, the inside is edible, but it's pretty bad. That's a 3 out of 10. Next up, blueberries. I don't want to eat anything else now. That's worse. I preferred gagging up kiwi. That's disgusting. That's a 0 out of 10. But I put these in my smoothies and I don't mind it. Oh, that's bad. Next up, the big boys. Well, is there anything else sweet? I think this is sweet, so let's try this. Oh, that was really satisfying. I thought it would be harder to cut. All right, that looks kind of gross. It's like pumpkin. Oh, it feels like pumpkin. Sorry, I'm sniffling. I was gagging up kiwi. Okay, no, I'm not gonna eat that part. Let's do it like our ancestors did. I'm getting juice all over the camera. Cantaloupe is overrated. I don't know. It's a little crunchy, which is nice, but it kind of reminds me of artificial sweetener. Like it's trying to be sweet, but it's not very good at it. That's a 3 out of 10 as well. So this one, I'm not really sure if it would be sweet or citrus, because I don't know what it is, but let's crack it open and find out. Oh, it looks exactly like the cantaloupe. Weird, it's got the same pattern and everything. Let me smell it. Ooh, oh, okay. The first thing I thought of is when you go into Walmart, and you don't want to have to use the bathroom at Walmart, but you finally go in and someone's changing their baby's diaper and it just hits you. Okay, smell this and think about babies. That is abysmal. Oh, God. Oh my God. That's a 0 out of 10. That's terrible. I think what is that? Oh, I guess I have to try oh God, I hate bananas. You might be like, Alex, why do you hate all of this? I'm not a big fruit guy. However, I actually like that. I like vegetables. I haven't had most of these, but I like broccoli. Oh my God, I forgot broccoli. Anyway, I don't know about fruit, man. And fruit's not even that healthy. I haven't peeled a banana in probably a decade. I remember being on Google Plus when I was like 13, and it was like, you're peeling a banana wrong. You're supposed to do it from this side. And it's actually a lot easier. See, look at that. Oh God. I hate banana. This is another one that I do put in my smoothies. I put it in frozen. But in my smoothies, I can't really taste it. So I'm gonna mix all this into a smoothie and I'll probably like it. I don't know if I can do it. I hate these textures. I hate fruit textures. They're so gross. I'm not playing this up. I can't stand the mushy texture. I don't know if I can eat this. I don't know if I can eat this. I think I'm gonna vomit. Zero out of 10. I can't do the bananas. I tried. I seriously tried. They didn't have mangoes. I'm kind of glad. Ooh. Oh, ew. I thought it was gonna be crunchy, like dried apples. No, not eating it. My disappointment is immeasurable. I thought this was gonna be my like little break. All right, we're gonna throw it all in a smoothie now. Whoa. Oh, I forgot eggplant. I don't know if this is sweet or not. Oh, I forgot pineapple. I think you have to cut these, but I'm curious. Oh yeah, also so pineapple, it has like that enzyme that breaks down your cells and makes you bleed. I bleed a lot from eating pineapple, so I'm just gonna have a little bit of it. Yeah, I don't think I can bite it. SpongeBob has been evicted. But it's pineapple, I mean, I wish it didn't make me bleed so badly. Because it's good, it smells good, it's got nice juices. Just a nibble. This isn't an aversion to texture on this, it's just an aversion to bleeding. It's so good. Oh, but it burns. I know it makes everyone bleed, but I don't know, I'm just kind of traumatized. One time I was just eating a pineapple, I wasn't paying attention and I looked down and there's just a pool of blood on my desk. But we'll throw a little bit in the smoothie. Oop, I dropped it. All right, almost there. Oh, I stepped on a blueberry. I think that's it. It'll be a small. I'm gonna add a couple more blackberries because they're really good. So my normal smoothie is frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, frozen peach, and then juice and a 1/4 cup of sugar. And then for juice, I don't know what to add actually. I have this, what is it? I guess I'll use this. Yeah, normally I like it frozen, so it's like nice and crunchy, but this stuff is not frozen, is it? I don't know where the top of the smoothie thing is. It should be fine. Oh, it's not fine. Oh, I think I added too much juice. Well, where's the top of my blender? Oh, here it is. This looks disgusting, and it's way too watery. When it's, oh God, it's like juice. Ew. Oh God, the baby diaper is just like emanating. Oh no, man, I hate that color. Why is it so foamy? This isn't going well. I was hoping it would make me like more fruits. So far, the only good thing that's happened is it turns out I like blackberries and that I don't need sugar with my strawberries, I guess. Oh God. This is the true junk food. It's so gross. I'm starting to regret doing this. All right, I was gonna move on to the acidic stuff, but I need to take a break. I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm back. I'm actually gonna wait on this. I do like vegetables, so we're gonna move to are these vegetables? I don't know. We're gonna move to vegetables instead because they're crunchy and I like the texture. Plus, I like ranch dressing and I have a lot of ranch dressing. Oh no, I just got ranch on the camera. Oh no, it's leaking into the, oh God. It like exploded when I took the cap off. Oh God, there's ranch in the, oh no. Ranch ASMR. Oh no, it's in the buttons. Well, that ranch is never coming out. All right, this pepper looks spicy, but I didn't think I bought any spicy peppers. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this. Because when I was ordering, I was just clicking add to cart for every item. And I mean, there's no jalapenos, there's no habaneros. And I don't think that's, I mean, I know this isn't either of those. All right, I think we're good. Is it just a really long green pepper? This is good. What is this? I'm not sure if I've ever just bitten into something, like enjoying it, and absolutely no idea what it is. It's dang good though, and I have a lot of them, so, oh yeah. Well, whatever that is, it put me in a better mood. Let's have some more peppers, shall we? Let's compare the organic versus not organic. All right, blind taste test. Can I tell which one is organic? I assume the bigger one's not gonna be organic, cause like growth hormones or whatever. Ooh, it's very bitter. Other one. Oh, the texture's fine. That tastes like dirt. Oh wait, I'm not gonna, okay. The green label was on the bigger one. Oh wait, I have to guess. I think the smaller one must be the organic, just because it tastes worse, and I feel like organic's gonna taste worse. Okay, green. Wait, green's organic. Wasn't this the green? Huh, I guess I got it wrong. Let's see if the ranch saves it. I can already tell it's not. I'll save it. I'm gonna give a lot of this to the chickens. Carrots. I mean, I don't know why I bought these. I just ate baby carrots yesterday. I like them. Oh, I could eat it without ranch. I don't know if I had one without ranch before. Oh yeah, this is like a 9 out of 10. These are like 2 to 3 out of 10. The baby carrots are fine. They're like a 7 out of 10. I mean, it's fine. I actually don't like these that much because the carrots that I grew were a lot sweeter. Oh, a yellow pepper. Why did I get so many peppers? It's fine. That's better, but it's like a 4 out of 10. This is kale. I mean, I know kale. It was one of the supplemental vegetables for the reptiles, so I don't think I like it. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, reptiles. Why did I give you this? See if the ranch saves it. I mean, the texture's fine, the flavor's okay. Oh, actually, here, let's make a... I know a lot of people... This is gonna be gross. I know a lot of people make kale smoothies. Let's make a kale and ranch smoothie. Let's not get it in the camera this time. That's so gross. Maybe I need to add like juice or something. Ew. Are you happy now? Are you happy that I'm cooking at home? It's not blending. I think I need to add like liquid. Bottoms up. Okay, that wasn't even funny. I actually thought it wouldn't be that bad. Okay, I'm done with the stupid ideas. I don't want to do this anymore. I'll be the first to admit, I took things too far. I thought the kale ranch smoothie would be funny, I didn't think it was gonna make me throw up. So let's take a little breather. I'm cleaning up the kitchen, gonna give the chickens some treats. Are they scared of the pineapple? They've never had pineapple before. They've had watermelon and various veggies. Why are they scared of it? I guess I normally don't give them stuff so big. I usually cut it up. That's so funny. Meanwhile, the Silkies. Funnily, out of all 6, this is the chicken that trusts me the most. I'm sure it's coincidental, but she's the only one that's over here with me eating. Tyrone went on the other side of the fence. All right, she's coming. Oh, I should probably take the sticker off. Funnily, they don't like that one either. They're only eating the cantaloupe and the pineapple.